most of us get sick. So these are menthol stones. Just smell them. Don't drink these. And slowly. It's very strong. Yes. It opens everything.
Fuerte. Suave, no lo
Slowly. slowly. Along with that, you can mix it with your food. You can mix it with your tea. Right, saffron. Just small portions. It gives this color. It has a very beautiful color, beautiful smell. Now, let's continue with the other products. Here we have something that looks like almonds, but they're not. These are apricot seeds.
Oh.
Yes. Apricot seeds, it's okay, we can put it there. Are very healthy.
Apricot, it's...
Albaricoques, Damascus.
Thank you.
Yes.
Y albaricoque es
Where are you from, guys?
Nicaragua. I'm pretty sure we have another name for them.
There are 3 names in Spanish, I know, but I know these 2 only. Damasco and Albaricoques.
There's another name, but I
Yeah.
forget what it's called.
In Spanish?
Yeah.
My friend knows, but please not. So now, for the rest, I'm gonna. Yeah, it's very healthy actually. It's very good against cancer. But don't eat too much. It gets poisonous. So now for the rest, I'm gonna explain them. If you want, just come closer and try. Here we have mountain figs. We have peanuts covered with honey and sesame. These peanuts are very good. Definitely try these. Now here we have 2 of the same apricots, but their drying process is different. This is the normal one, chemically dried with sulfur gas. This is naturally dried under the sun. These taste different. So again, definitely try these. Here we have cranberries. These are not local, but yes.
But we like them.
Yes, but these are mulberries, black mulberries.
Oh.
Black mulberries are very famous in Cappadocia. Again, definitely try the local products. Now here we have traditional Turkish sweet. This is walnut covered with grape molasses, grape juice,
Walnut?
and grape molasses, grape juice.
Thank you.
These are very energetic. They taste very good. Here they call them sausages because they look like sausages.
Thank you.
But they're not. Is it hard?
No.
Good? Okay. Now, for the sweet part, we have an exclusive product of our shop. It's apricot covered with chocolate and coconut powder. This is only available in our shop. You cannot find these anywhere else. Even if you go to Gurame, you cannot find these. So definitely try these. If you like them, definitely buy them.
Apricot is the same as peach.
No.
It looks
Yeah.
similar, but not peach. Just Ashkan,
Okay. Como durazno.
اسمها apricot چی میشه به اسپانیش؟ البرکوک داماسکو دیگه؟ یه اسم دیگه هم داشت؟ اسم دیگه هم داشت؟
albaricoque.
نمیدونی؟
کجا اینا؟
همون
Chocolate is
chocolate, coconut powder. Now,
بزنم سرچش کنم.
for the best part, these are pieces from heaven. They taste very good. Where are you from, sir?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. So you might be familiar with this.
what is this?
This is flour, sugar with the taste of butter, like cotton candy, but pressed. These are very soft. Be careful. Don't press them. Just put the whole cube in your mouth. You will go to heaven and come back.
The whole cube.
Yes. This is my method.
Um,
If you enjoy it, you can bite it, but it's like patisa or son papri, if you know. Is it good?
So big.
Yes. Now, here we have different type of Turkish delights. Our best seller is pomegranate and pistachios. قهوه نمیخواد بیاد؟ It's okay, it's okay. It happens.
Thank you.
This is with pistachios.
Pistachios and granada.
Thank
You're welcome.
Pomegranate.
Thank
Yes.
you.
اسم شي كم سافر بسمان جابونا نيوجا. Now, again, for the rest, I'm going to explain them. You can come closer and try. This is raspberry and pistachio Turkish delights. This is mixed fruit, different type of fruits inside of it. The famous rosewater Turkish delight. Here we have two of the same traditional ones without any specific taste. This is covered with sugar. This is covered with coconut. Both of them have pistachios. If you want less sweet Turkish delight, this one is good. It's made from milk, coconut, and pistachios. And the last one is a very special one. This has 41 type of spices, but it's not hot.
41.
Yes, it tastes very good.
Is it sweet?
It's a little bit sweet.
Thank you.
It's Turkish delight. Turkish delight is always sweet. Has sugar. But the thing is, it has a unique taste. That's why. Is it good? Now, we're finished with these. I'm gonna offer you this last thing. This is hazelnut paste covered with mulberry molasses. It's like Nutella. They call it Turkish Nutella. You didn't like it.
Very weird.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not weird. It tastes like something I've eaten
It's
before.
like cinnamon.
Christmas.
Yeah.
There is a drink called Christmas, I think.
In America, they eat lots of cinnamon things, and it tastes like.
Special.
You will change your
Yeah.
taste now with this.
What is this?
Hazelnut paste covered with mulberry molasses.
Melasa con Nutella.
Yes.
No, not Nutella.
Yes, yes.
China.
We call it actually we call it here Turkish Nutella because it's similar to Nutella. So now try the hazelnut paste with this coffee. This coffee is special. It has pistachio, almond,
Thank you.
hazelnut, and dates.
Turkish
How do
coffee?
you prepare it? Just with
You
hot water?
prepare it like Turkish coffee. Do you know how to prepare Turkish coffee? Okay. So you bring a pot. You take 1 spoon of the coffee, add it, normal water, not hot, not cold. Then mix, put it on a normal fire, not that high or that low, and you keep mixing on fire until it pours. When it pours, you take it off, you serve it. That's it.
Turkish coffee is too strong.
Yes. You don't like it?
Like it.
This is
Too strong, yeah,
strong
like